Hello, it's a fairly quiet end to the week, but still cold. Temperatures fell to -11.8 Celsius overnight at Ravensworth in North Yorkshire. The coldest night of the winter so far for England, and still plenty of snow on the ground across northern England and Scotland. More in the forecast as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning. But for the rest of Friday, for most it's mainly dry, quite large amounts of cloud around, the best of the sunshine across eastern Scotland and northeast England. Some of that morning fog really slow to clear through parts of the Midlands and eastern England, and where it does, temperatures will struggle to get much above freezing. Light winds for most, but those winds will be strengthening later in the day ahead of this band of rain, which will then be pushing its way eastwards through this evening and overnight, bringing with it some milder air, but ahead of it, colder air, and that's going to mean further snow for parts of Scotland, northern England, later in the night, perhaps into East Anglia and maybe southeast England. And where we have the rain, falling onto already saturated ground, so a number of flood warnings are still in place, and also the risk of ice at first tonight, with temperatures falling below freezing, those temperatures starting to rise as the night wears on. But snow once again is likely to bring some disruption through tomorrow morning. This is an idea of snow depth. Of course, that snow overnight topping up some already significant totals across parts of Scotland and northern England. We could perhaps see 7 centimetres of snow across parts of East Anglia as we head through tomorrow morning. All tied in with this system, which will be sliding its way south and eastwards through Saturday, once again bringing further heavy rain, but also snow for a time through the morning across parts of Scotland, northern England, East Anglia and southeast England. Behind it some sunshine, then further showers piling into Scotland and northern England. But it won't be as cold tomorrow. Temperatures perhaps getting into double figures for some, 10 or 11 Celsius, certainly milder than it has been across parts of Scotland and northern England. For Sunday, it's a tale of two halves. We have high pressure building in across the southern half of the UK, but this low pressure is still close to the northern half of the UK. So on Sunday, we'll like to see further showers across Scotland, maybe Northern Ireland, and a few just filtering into the far north of England. But further south, it should be mainly dry with some sunshine. And again, not quite as cold. So temperatures on Sunday somewhere between 5 to 9 Celsius. Looking ahead to next week, I think the theme really is it's not going to be as cold as it has been recently, but it will be quite unsettled and rather windy at times too. Goodbye.